Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory loss on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo and you will click here in this application. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. If you find updated, then you will update